I'm Marshall Tilden with The Wine Enthusiast, here to introduce our brand new Wine Enthusiast 28 bottle Vino View wine cellar. These Vino View shelves are crafted from a sturdy black wire and they are rubber coated. So not only are they protecting every bottle, but allowing you to see every beautiful label in this collection. There's also a dramatic LED lighting on either side, again, accentuating every bottle right up front on that glass door. It comes equipped with this really sleek, smudge-proof black stainless steel trim, and because it utilizes compressor cooling, it's ideal for storing both red and white wines and can be brought down to service temperature for white wine as well. And with the digital controls on the outside of the door, you're able to adjust the temperature and the lighting without opening the door, letting all that cool air out. This 28 bottle Vino View cellar is as beautiful as it is quiet, making it perfect for living room, dining room, media rooms, anywhere that you want to show off all the labels in your prized collection. So here you have it, the brand new Wine Enthusiast 28 bottle Vino View wine cellar. Cheers, enjoy.